Hey everyone, this is Mr. De Vicente from the ELD department here at Pinacati Middle School. This is a quick video to go over how to fill out the teacher recommendation forms. Most of you have already done this. The form is a little bit different from last year, so that's why I'm making this video. So I'm going to make it really short, and if you have any questions, just see me in my office or shoot me an email. So if you receive forms for your students in a colored folder from me, that means that these students have met all the criteria for reclassification according to the new criteria that's been adopted by the district. Here is the criteria. These kids have passed the LPAC with a level 4, and they have met the requirements for CAST testing and reading inventory testing. So once the kids meet this criteria, the Ed Services Department sends me these teacher recommendation forms to distribute to all of you. And after this, the last part of the criteria to reclassify is the parent consultation. So here's the form. And the form is based on the 3 components of the ELD standards. If you search online, you can find them very quickly. And if you go to pages 107 through 129, you'll see grade 7 and grade 8. And there's a little bit more explanation on the collaborative, interpretive, and productive components of the ELD standards. The standards come directly from the California Common Core Standards, or ELA. If you need more explanation of the level descriptors, here is the LPAC level descriptors for ELD. And the way the form is laid out, it has a brief explanation of some of the components of the 3 parts of the ELD standards. And what you do is you just check off for each item whether the kids have, in your opinion, met the standard, nearly met the standard, or not met the standard. And then you either circle a Y or an N for yes or no, whether you recommend the student for reclassification. And there's a little space provided for any commentary you would like to make. And then you sign these, date them, and drop them off at my office. If I'm not in my office, you can just drop them off in the little box outside the office. My office is in the library. If you have any questions, like I said earlier, shoot me an email or see me in the office. Thank you for listening.